I'm going to show how I scrap these plastic plug-ins. These are brass. And I'm just going to put this in a vise. And just take a channel locks. Try and rip that apart, actually. This tend to work better going this way. That there's this tab in the way, and then there's wires, and then there's another tab there too. I wonder if that comes apart. Oh, look at that. Oh, some little tiny fuses in there. Never seen fuses that small before. That's all just plastic. Here's the brass. And then here, this is brass too. These wires. They're small. They have a little bit of copper in them. Let's see, I have one. Oh, it's similar. Yeah, this one had a fuse in it too. Let's see if I can get that taken apart here. There we go. And copper here. Let's see. I can look at that closer. On these female ends, same thing. Put that in the rice. Some just come right apart, some are a bit more difficult. Let's try flipping this over. Get in there with the screwdriver carefully. Break that plastic out of there. Boy, I'm going to work on that. I'm just going to get that. There's some brass. Barely see it way down in there. So I got this kind of loosened up here, and it pops out like that. That brass is in here. Take a wire cutter and just snip off that copper and brass. And do the same thing with these. And this one, I actually took a screwdriver, put it in here and pried that carefully away, and it comes right out. There's a piece down in there. Looks like this piece will come out. There's all different kinds of plug-ins. These are from Christmas tree lights. And, yeah, I'll work on this and see. I put this into the device, taking a small screwdriver, flat one. Carefully pry that apart. There we go. And there's just a little piece of brass there, and I'll snip that off. Oops. And of course it flies into the junk pile. There it is. There's a guy. Well, be sure and check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment below. Have a great day.